Hello, good morning, Suros. Today we are going to learn exercise 1-year problems in locus chapter. Some formulae used. So let us see one by one what the formulae are useful for this exercise. Let me take first one, which is a distance formula. Distance between 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. Formula is under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. You can express this as under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square also. Next formula, distance from a point P to x-axis. See the diagram. Here is the point P xy, pxy. Distance from point P to x-axis means this axis. So this is a point P and this is a x-axis. You can see that it is x-axis and it is y-axis. So distance from particular point P to x-axis is y units. This is y. Okay, and distance from this point to y-axis is x units. Don't confuse. Distance to x-axis is y units, to y-axis is x units here. You can see this is a distance from here to here is y units. That is PA is y units and here PB is x units. Okay, and coming to next formula, that is Pythagoras theorem. For Pythagoras theorem, right triangle is taken. So this is a right triangle in which one angle is right angle. This is a triangle APB in which angle P is 90 degrees in it. So the side which is opposite to right angle is said to be hypotenuse. There is a theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So hypo square is equal to base square plus height square can be taken. In this triangle, what is base, what is hypotenuse, what is height? Base is BP, height is AP, hypotenuse is AB. So Pythagoras theorem if applied, we can say this as AB square is equal to AP square plus BB square. Right angle is at P, no? Therefore, AB square is equal to AP square plus BP square is taken here. This is a Pythagoras theorem which is applied in a right triangle. These formulae are going to be useful to do these problems in exercise A. So let us go to first problem in first section in locus. Let me read the problem first. Find the equation of locus of a point which is at a distance 5 units from a point A 4 minus 3. In synopsis also we have taken notes. First step is let Pxy be any point on the locus. So this is a distance 5 units from P to A here. From a point to A here. From A to this point is here. That is PA. PA is 5. This is geometrical condition. So PA square is equal to 5 square is taken here. Distance between 2 points formula is applied here. Root will be gone because square. It is squared, no? And this step will come. 5 square is nothing but 25. After expansion, x square minus 8x plus 16 plus 9 will become 25 here. RHS, this 25 will become minus 25 when you take into LHS. So x square minus 8x plus 16 plus y square plus 6y plus 9. This 16, this 9 are in this 25. Okay, I think you understood this step. And 25 will be cancelled here. so that we get the remaining part of LHS like this. So this is the equation for which we are naming it as equation 1. One more point is taken which is satisfy this given equation 1, that is Qx1 y1. It satisfies means in place of x and y, if you substitute x1 y1, it should be true here. So we are announcing that it is satisfying, means this point should definitely satisfy this equation. So 2x1 square plus y1 square minus 8x1 plus 6y1 is equal to 0. Now what is QA? This is a point Q, this is a point A. So QA square. Now we are finding the distance between Q and A, that is QA. So to go for QA, what we are doing, first we are taking QA square. In next step we go with QA. Here QA, it is not just Q, it is QA. Okay. So before going to QA, we are doing QA square here. So QA square is equal to, that is a root symbol is not taken here. So when we substitute x1 y1 in this previous equation, we get the same thing here. So is equal to 25 is not taken. Simply what we are taking here, distance from Q to A means Q is x1 y1, A is 4 comma minus 3. So here x1 minus 4 whole square, x1 minus 4 whole square, okay, plus y1 plus 3 whole square. When we expand them, we get this number. And now what we should do, in this part is equated by 0. So 0 plus 25, which is 25. QA square is 25 means QA is 5. That is same distance, geometrical condition. So this Q, the point, satisfy this geometric condition here. This is a condition, no, PA is equal to 5. So this is satisfied here. It is required equation of locus is this equation 1. This is answer. Second question, find the equation of locus of a point which is equidistant from the points A and B. Here also finding the equation of locus. So first step is let Pxy be any point on the locus. And there is a geometrical condition which is a PA is equal to PB here. Equidistant means from a point to 2 points the distance is same here. So equidistant from the points are A and B. This point is equidistant to these 2 points means PA is equal to PB. So this is a geometric condition. So we are squaring both the sides and also applying formula so that we got this one. And here all in LHS, RHS same terms are there, we are cancelling them, and remaining part is our required equation of locus here, 6x minus 8y, when we take this side will become plus 8y. So plus 8 minus 4 will become plus 4y, and also 13, no, 16, when we are taking plus 16 this side it will become minus 16, so minus 3 will come. So this is our required equation of locus. I hope you understood this one also. And coming to third problem, find the equation of locus of a point P. Here also equation of locus is required. So of a point P such that the distance of P from the origin is twice the distance of P from A. Here this is a geometrical condition. Distance of P from the origin is twice the distance of P from A, that is 1, 2. So this is a geometrical condition, you can see this. So what is first step? Pxy be any point on the locus. Next what? There is origin, the word origin is seen here. So O, and the other point is taken as A1, 2 here. So here condition is distance of P from the origin means OP. OP is equal to twice means 2 times. Distance of P from A means PA. So OP is equal to 2A here. Here O in the diagram, this is O, this is A, and this is P. OP is twice to PA, means this is double to this distance. This is a condition. So here squaring both the sides. OP square, here 4 PS square, and distance formula is applied here. And OP square means what here? See the diagram? From this is x square plus y square taken, because x minus 0 whole square is nothing but x square, y minus 0 whole square is y square. So RHS 4 is already there. In brackets PS square means this distance is taken, and here simplifying, and next step 4, along with 4 we are writing RHS every time, and simplification is happening, and here also 4 is multiplied by every term in it, so that bracket is removed, and afterwards this x square y square also were taken to RHS here, and these are like terms here. So in the next step they are simplified. It will become 3x square, it will become 3y square, and this is the required equation of locus, which is our answer here. Thank you, Nana. Okay.